What are you doing?
We're building our railway. May I have some wheels, please, Jenny?
I can't see any wheels, Tony. Oh, yes. Here are some wheels.
May I help you?
Thank you, Gogo. Of course.
Gosh!
I like making things. What can I make? I know. I can make a...
What can he make?
Wait and see, Jenny.
Have you got any balls?
No, I'm sorry, Gogo. I haven't got any balls.
I've got some balls now. I've got some nails too.
Ah, do you want any balloons, Gogo?
Oh, yes. I want some balloons, please.
Tony, what's he making? I want to know.
Wait a minute, Jenny. Go on, Gogo.
I want some cups.
Do you want any cards?
Cards? What are cards? Oh, yes. I want some cards, please.
I don't understand. Gogo, what are you making?
Now I want a hammer, a teapot, and an egg. Now I'm ready.
What is it?
Watch. I like eggs.
Oh, Gogo!
What's that, Gogo?
It's a machine.
It's a big machine. What can it do?
Watch. Tappy, have you got any eggs? Tappy, have you got any eggs?
No, I haven't got any eggs.
You've got some eggs now.
Yes, I've got some eggs now.
Please put them here. GB, have you got any balls? GB, have you got any balls?
No, I haven't got any balls.
You've got some balls now.
Yes, I've got some balls now.
Please put them here.